Welcome to the instructional video for learning about student interest and backgrounds. This is staple number 2 in the mutual space. Now, using a student interest survey or a general classroom discussion are valuable tools to help learn more about student interest and their backgrounds. Now, making sure throughout the survey and discussion you use this 3-2-1 share method is a great way to facilitate this activity. So we would first ask the students, I would like you to share 3 relevant experiences that they've had recently or in the past. Also, we'd ask them to share 2 places of interest that they have visited or that they want to visit. And finally, we'd have them to share 1 surprise that they're willing to share with others. And again, you want to make sure that the surprise that they do share is clean, so make sure that you put that up front. Now, when we're talking about being able to build community and learn more about student interests, it's going to provide that connection, especially for real education. So we know that to make learning relevant, learning more about students' lives is going to obviously make that more connected. Therefore, the lessons that you create will bring in more of the student interests and backgrounds, therefore engaging them in the learning. How we build the empathy connection is it helps you to create a more supportive and inclusive environment. One where all students feel comfortable that they can share and are free to be able to learn in their prospective places. Third, building action. You can actually identify the support that students need additionally by learning more about their background and the interests that they have. The interest, not the interests. That's not a word. And lastly, building that lifelong connection. It's all about that lifelong learning, right? So every time we're learning something new about someone, this is going to translate to when they go on the job interview or when they're maybe in a class and they're talking about different things. They can all begin to learn about one another. And again, that's going to translate to comfortability and being able to engage in the learning at all times. Now, again, for like a few select other staples, we do have an activity script that you can follow to engage in this activity. This will also include being able to utilize the digital or the print version of the surveys. All you need to go to is mvpspaces.com/student-surveys. Again, we have the print and the digital version, and this again will give you the opportunity to learn more about those students.